bobo. Also sakas mit bola. Kaya
No, what you busy with now again?
ek sit gewoon met jou dating profile op man.
Oh, you're looking for a girlfriend now.
Not in any of your business, but terwyl ek nog wag met Denzel vir die jobbie man sien sy, dan ek gaan my langs my 'n koers kry. You know, for my everyday expenses.
Don't you? But that's not what girlfriends are for.
I didn't ask for your opinion. But anyway, kyk julle vra van hobbies. Wat sit ek hier in by die hobbies?
That stuff you like to do, like taking long walks on the beach, dinner dates,
Wag,
stuff like that.
dis jou partner gebesigheid in ja, los. Hy gaan die insit. I like to take a walk to my friend to go buy a halve brood en 'n 4 stukkies bologna.
Oh, yeah, no.
Or what? 6 or 3 to 4 times a day.
Yeah, that's not what they're asking. They want to know your gender.
Oh, ek sien nou ja, male of female of so. Oh, my. Nou kyk ek nou. En dan sê wat sy moet nou die maak, né? En dan gaan sy nou hier sit. Sy nou male of is hy female or what?
Obviously, I'm putting male. What are you thinking?
Sy sê kan female. Sy moet kyk. Dis die T-staan vir die kyk. Sy is met die kyk male.
Oh, my word. Hope you find a girlfriend so you can stop working on my nerves.
Hy voel toch. Ou female.